than I ever been. I'm richer than I ever been. He's richer than he's ever been.
Put your hands on top of your head. Put your hands on top of your head. Put your hands on your head.
Say it again?
Put your hands on your head. Put your hands on your head. Keep your hands up there. Put yourself in real quick.
Huh?
Keep your hands right where we can see them, understand?
Yeah, what's all this for?
Hand behind your back.
I have a permit, Chief.
Okay.
Put your hand behind your back.
Shit, I got bad shoulders.
You can't.
Okay.
I had surgery up top. I
Okay.
can feel where the bones stick out up there.
All right. It's to the bike. All right, where's your wallet?
Right here.
Where?
Right here? All right.
The issue is that you're riding down the and everybody's seeing this. And that's a problem.
Just keep the bike upright. Keep your hand up on your head.
Can we get somebody to shut up on the radio?
Who's the other guy you're riding with?
I just met him at the gas station.
Okay. What gas station?
The Exxon.
Exxon?
Yeah.
Which one?
Honeygo.
Honeygo Exxon?
10-3 on the channel.
Not going out of your pocket, bud.
I can get it.
I got it. Got the key to the bike. Yeah.
Oh, I'm not doing nothing crazy, buddy.
Just keep your hand on your head. Keep your hand on your head.
It's all right. We're going to check it out. I'm trying to get your license out of your wallet now. Yeah, it's right there.
All right, do me a favor. Don't go anywhere near you. Understand? Keep your hand on your head. Keep your hand on your head. You got any other weapons on you that we need to know about?
What you need to know about that one for?
I'm asking you, do you have any other weapons on you that we need to know about?
I'm not talking, Chief.
Okay.
I just told you guys, I have a permit. I don't understand.
Okay, we'll get to that, okay? We'll get
Not
to that.
breaking, was I speeding anything?
We're investigating the fact that you're carrying a firearm open.
Is that illegal?
We'll investigate whether or not you have a permit, okay? Right now you're being detained to make sure that you have the ability to carry that firearm. Okay.